Alright, what we have here is a hand-wired Marshall JTM 45 Plexi Clone, 30 watt, KT66s, GC34 rectifier, standard Marshall setup, pretty much stock. Addition of a PPIMV, post-phase inverter master volume. So here we go. Here's a clean sound. Got the channels jumpered, both the normal and the high treble on about 2.5 or so. The master volumes is under halfway, and it's pretty loud. I'm going through a 59 Les Paul reissue, prehistoric, in 1987. Seymour Duncans Pearly Gates pickups. So here we go. It's the bridge pickup. Volume control on about 8 on the guitar. I'm going to back off on that. Jump over to neck pickup. Same thing, volume on the guitar about 6. Middle pickup. Back to the bridge, volume all the way up. Yeah, pretty aggressive pickup attack there. Neck pickup, volume all the way up. Middle pickup. Alright, I'm going to turn the master volume down a little bit, and I'm going to boost the gain up on both channels. Gain on both channels is now about 6. Gain up a little more, both channels. back off on the gain. I'm going to take the channel jumper out. And the other thing I'm going to demonstrate here is how even with the input in one channel, how the other volume controls affect the other channels as far as the tune. I'm going to go into channel 2, the normal channel. Now you can take the high channel, you can turn the volume up. It won't get any louder, but it will affect the tone. As you can hear, as I turn the high treble channel volume up, it is getting brighter. And of course, if you reverse that, you go into channel 1, it'll have the same effect. It'll get... As I turn the normal channel up, it'll get bassier. That's about it.